How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can disable quiet mode on Instagram. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that you've already updated your application. If not, head over to your Play Store. After that, on the search bar, type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, instead of open, if you see update, which means that the application needs to be updated, and click on the update button and update your application for the latest features. After done updating your application, click on the open button and then log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to the profile page. Once you're on this page, click on the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. And from the drop down menu, click on settings and privacy. As soon as you click on settings and privacy, you'll be taken to the account info page. After you click on settings and privacy, underneath there are multiple options, so you need to head over to the section of how to use Instagram. Under it, click on notification. After that, you'll be taken to the notification page where you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So right now the quiet mode is turned on, which means that I'll be able to receive all of the information such as who's uploaded the post and all that information. So then to turn it off, you need to toggle the switch. As soon as it turns green, which indicates that the quiet mode on Instagram has been disabled or turned off. So this is basically how you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So that is how you can turn off your quiet mode on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.